and I run a 360-degree marketing agency where we provide solutions from brand strategies to digital marketing to market research and complete creative solutions under one roof. On this channel, we will be giving you some very practical snippets and solutions that you can apply into your marketing strategy while you're devising it. And that will help you in an overall delivery of a great marketing strategy. In today's video, we'll be discussing what is digital marketing and at what stage of business would you actually start using digital marketing. Digital marketing is just an extension of traditional marketing. Traditional marketing comprises of your TV ads, your newspaper ads, hoardings, billboards that you see outside, and the extension of that would be your the equivalent of that on digital marketing would be your display ads, your it could be your video ads that you see on YouTube. It would be equal to your television ads. So it is just another platform to express your marketing, and it's just another platform to deliver and reach out to your audience. Like your blogs are like advertorials that you have in magazines. The hoardings would be like the display ads that you see in Google, or your TVCs would be like the YouTube ads that you would see between your YouTube videos. Of course, the target behavior is a little different. The behavior of the target audience is a little different between the two. So in a digital marketing process, we would actually have to map out where all your target audience is visiting, where is it frequenting the most, and how is their behavior online before you strategize the complete digital marketing. And that's the crux of digital marketing. Finding out where are they spending their time most. Which platform are they interacting the most on? Which platform are they looking for your products or your kind of services overall? And based on those insights, you have to strategize your entire campaign and customize it to your target audience. In this video, I'm not going to get too much into detail of what are the different types of digital marketing or how do you do digital marketing, but this is just about a basic understanding of what is digital marketing. And that will save for another video. When I'll do another video, we'll get into the matters of what are the different types of digital marketing. Now let's discuss is digital marketing for you. So let me ask a few questions. Are you running a business where you require any type of sales to come, any leads that you require for your company, any B2B business or B2C business, e-commerce business, be it pharmaceutical business, be it a beauty line, whatever you are looking for, digital marketing is for you. The strategies and the methods would differ, but digital marketing in today's day and age, where people are not stepping out to see the hoardings, where people are not stepping out to see the flyers, people are not stepping out for meetings, this is a great way to reach out to your audience in their comfort zone. And now more than ever, it is important to create a beautiful, seamless virtual experience for your audience. Not just reaching out to them saying, we are here, buy us, just take our product, just look at our product. Instead of using that sort of a language, it's always better to give them something, to give them some value, and then attract your audience in return. And in that sense, what we do as a marketing agency is we do storytelling. How do you tell your product story in the best format, in the best way possible to your audience, so that we can reach out to them on the same platforms where they're already available and already interacting and probably looking for your products, or they don't even know they're looking for your products. So instead of being a very devious method, or digital marketing being this method that they're hearing us, they're watching us, they're looking into it's bugged. No, it's not. It's just that people understand. We do a lot of strategizing. We do a complete understanding of the target audience, and then position our ads in such a way where it sort of seamlessly fits into the lives of your target audience, where they are not really compelled to buy your products, but it is derived from a need-based or a want-based purchase. So I'll just leave you with a quick understanding. If you're completely new to digital marketing and you've not really experienced it firsthand, a small activity you could do is go on Google and type anything that you want. Like, say for example, you're looking for shoes, right? Like shoes, black high heel shoes or black office shoes. and you write that in, and if you just open the page, the next page, the search page which comes up, the first page would probably show first few listings that you see over there are mostly with ads. It will have an ad written over there, and below that you will see all the other activities. So the top 4 lists that you see with the symbol of ad in it is actually the ads, the advertising of Google that you see over there, and that is done through a paid method. And further on, whatever listings you see beyond is done through an SEO method. So there are 2 different types of digital marketing. So I just thought I'll leave you with that activity, so you can just see what kind of words are being used, and the word that you have used to search is called the keyword. So I leave you today with this insight, and I leave you today with the information that I have given you. Looking forward to giving you more information on digital marketing, on market research, and how we will help you survive through these difficult times. Thank you so much for watching, and we will be back soon.